In today's tutorial, we will see how to construct or design a temple in Revit like this. You can see how to construct this columns, circular column, how to construct this dome. So in today's video, we will see all about how to construct a proper temple in Revit. Okay, so for that, let's start. Let's first go to level or first go to this elevation. Let's go in south elevation and let's create some level over here. You can use the shortcut LL or you can take it from here and place some level over here. Dimension, let's check the dimension. So here we need 6 feet, (15 feet), and this one take it 25 feet. Okay, now let's go to level 1 and create some wall over here. For that we have to go in architecture and select the wall. You can select the size of the wall also. Let's keep this one 62 feet this side and 62 feet this side also. Okay, now go in 3D and see how it's look. You can see here. So select all the wall by pressing SA and top constant is unconnected, so make it level 2. Okay, now we have to place some roof over here. For that go in level 2 and here you will see floor. Click on floor, select the boundary line rectangle and just place the roof over here. Okay, now go in 3D and you can see from here we will start the. Now we have to place column over here. For that go in level 1 and select the column, architectural column. So we have to place the circular column. So here you will see there is no circular column. So for that we have to load family. Go in Autodesk and from here you can select the Revit 2023. Go in library English and here you will see column. One folder is there, column. Click on here and you can select the rectangle circular column from here. Open it and just place the column over here. After placing this column, make the column, make their distance equal. For that we have to go align distance and make this distance equal. just you have to press here in equal. Now you will see all the column has been placed equally. Okay, now just we have to go in reference plane and make the midpoint here, so you can identify later on. Now we have to just select all this column and just mirror this. You will see the column has been placed this side also. Now we have to place column this side, so for that we just go in architecture, column, and now just place 2 column this side. Now just make the distance equal. Okay, now select this 2 column by pressing Ctrl and just mirror this 2 column from the middle. Here you can see. Okay, now you will see the column has been placed here. Okay, go in 3D. Let's see how it's look. You can see the column has been placed up to the second level. So just select all the column and in property we will just top level make it up to 3. Okay, here you can see the column has been placed now. Now just go to level 2. Now we have to make here the temple where we can place the god. Okay, so for that just select the wall and create 24 feet. Let's take it 24 feet and 20 feet. Okay, now we have to just make this curve. So for that we can use this one. Select this one, make this one and make it up to 5 3. Okay, select this one and make it up to 5 3. Okay, this side also. Five 3. Okay, just delete this side. Okay, now I can go in 3D and see. You can see here. Okay, so select all this wall and make it up to level top constant level 3. Okay, now go in level 2. So we have to place some roof floor over here on level 2. For that go in level 2 and place the floor. Select the boundary, make it up to select the boundary from here up to here, finish it. Okay, going 3D, let's see. So here it's overlap, so for that just select this one, select the floor and level 3, make it level 3. Okay, now it's okay. Now here you can see floor has been placed. Now we have to join all this, so it can, for that we have to click here, and here you will see join option. Click on join and click the floor and select the wall. Again, by doing this you can select all the wall, so it can join with floor. Done. Now we have to join all the column, so for that select the wall and then column, select wall and then column. In this way you can join all the column with floor. Now this side we will do. Now done. Okay, all the column has been joined with the floor roof here. Now just you can go to here, so we have to make some, you have seen in the temple there is some dome like structure. For that we have to go in file, new, click on new and create family. So from here you can select, and it will take few seconds. Now here we have to create the dome structure, and just after creating we can load in the project. So for that let's go and write. So here you can see going level 2. Here you can see the size. Let's measure the size from here. It's 24 feet. Okay, let's make 12 feet this side. So we have just select the revolve command and make it 12 feet. 12 feet. Okay. And this side make it, let's take 30 feet. Okay, Now make it 2 feet. Select this start and radius arc and again make this select this line and make it 1 feet. Eight inch, and again select this one and again 1 feet 6 inch. Okay, 1 feet 2 inch. One feet Okay, I'll make this line out to here. Now just apply the axis line. And finish it. Let's go in 3D. Make it here. You can see in this way the dome has been created. So now we have to load this one into the our project. So load into the project. Go in level 2 and we just place over here. Now go in 3D and let's see how it's look. So make this up to level 3. And this offset is 0. Elevation from level is 0. Okay, so now we can see the dome has been created for this temple. Okay, now it's look good. So now we have to place a railing over here. So for that, no, first we have to place the stair. For that, just go in level 1 and select, go in architecture and select the stair, and let's place stair over here. Okay, finish it. Going 3D. Let's see how it's look. So we have to make the level, stair width. So we have to increase the width of the stair. For that, click on the stair and edit stair. Select the stair and make this 15 feet. Enter. This will be okay. Now you can see, finish the, make this monolithical. Click on the stair and go in property and make it monolithical stair. Okay, now here you can see it's look good. Now we have to place railing over here, so it's look nice. For that we have to go in level 2, select the here. From here you can select the railing, and now we can place railing. Okay, in this way you can place the railing. After placing this side, make it finish. Go in 3D and you can see how it's look. Okay, now just select this railing, go in level 2, just click on the mirror, or you can use the shortcut mm and mirror it. So you can see in this side also railing has been placed. Now we have to place this side. Just go in architecture, select railing, and from here just place the railing. Finish it. Go in 3D. Now you can see this side also railing has been placed, and this side. Now we have to place on the front side. For that you have to just go in level 2, select the railing, and just place the railing. Finish it. Now we have to place this side also. Okay, now finish it. Let's go in 3D and see how it's look. You can see now it's look good. Now if you want to change the material, you can change also. So for suppose let's go in shaded view. Suppose we want this in orange color or something like that. For that we have to just select use the shortcut key T. It's paint. Now you can select from here, or you can select from the, suppose I am selecting this carpet. Suppose I have select this floor as you can see here like this. Okay, let's see if you want to change this color of the pillar or sub column. Click here, select all, go in edit, and suppose you want to change the material totally, go here on material, it's aluminum. Suppose you want the different one from here, from this list, so for that you have to just click on here, you will see open and close asset browser. So click here, you will see lots of color. Suppose you want to choose the color from here, click here and let's go in metal. Suppose you want to choose the gold, let's take it gold. Here you can click here, so it will be add here. Okay, now if you want to change the edit the color, you can edit also. Let's take it like this and okay, apply it. Okay, apply. Okay, realistic view how it's look. You can see here the color of the column has been changed to golden. So place here, let's make it easy for you. Go in override graphic in view by element. So here you can select pattern is solid and just you have to select this. If you want to change the color, you can change also. Let's take it from here. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, now you can see, go in constant, you can see the temple dome has been, color has been changed. Okay, so in this way you can use the change the color of your, all about the construction and design of the temple. Okay, thank you for watching the video. We will see in the next video.